Once, while carrying my child, I dropped him by accident. I felt a sore pain in my back when I stood up. I didn't care at first. Since arriving in the United States, I've worked in dollar stores. I have to stand all the time at work. And then, the longer I worked, the more painful my back was. I had an MRI in a general hospital, which greatly scared me. The doctor said, first, you have a herniated disc. Second, the synovium of your lumbar discs has calcified. The synovium of normal people is smooth and soft, but mine was not. It was hard. It's like my bones were rubbing. That's why I lived in pain. Until one day, the pain was so severe that I couldn't stand or sit, I could only lie down. I was stuck in bed for 2 months. It tortured me a lot, and I didn't know what to do. And when I was in bed, I could only lie flat because lying on my side hurt. That 2 months were terrible. I had never been through that before. Physical pain affected my mental health as well. I had tried all kinds of treatments, but to no avail. That's why I was discouraged. I was disabled and was good for nothing. But I think I'm lucky. Because I saw Bodhi Meditation when I was reading the newspaper at home one day. It said that Bodhi Meditation could replenish my energy, so I attended it. In the chanting retreat, I forgot it was the 2nd day or the 3rd day. The teacher helped everyone to repent. First, I repented to my parents and ancestors. Second, I repented to the lives that I hurt. I was crying all that day. There was a deep feeling of uneasiness and guilt arising from my heart. But when I cried and chanted, I felt something like an electric current going from my head and back. In the next few days of the course, I was getting better day by day. I was happy day by day. When the retreat was completed, I felt at ease while walking and sitting. I was happy. The chanting retreat solved my major health issues. After 3 months, my minor pains started to go away as well. Before attending the retreat, I could only sit for half an hour, and my back will be uncomfortable. After the retreat, one day I went for a 5-hour car ride. I sat for 5 hours without moving, but I felt no pain in my back. That experience impressed me the most. I feel my back has improved significantly. And I'm back to normal. I can do everything like normal people. I'm back at work now. My body is doing good. I eat well, sleep well, and live in good health. I enjoy my life and live a happy life now. I'm really happy. Thank you, Grandmaster Jean Bodhi.